Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about functions in Python. A function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single related action. Functions provide better modularity for your application and a high degree of coding reusing. As you already know, Python gives you many built-in functions like print. But you can also create your own functions. These functions are called user-defined functions. Let's start by creating a new file. Functions. Function blocks begin with the keyword def followed by the function name and parentheses. And for this we will print 2 multiply sign, and before this we will use for loop for I in range 1 to 11, which means 1 to 10, and then 2 multiplied by I, and the symbol is equal to, and then I multiplied by 2. This is a very simple function. Let's call this. And here is the result. And if we call it again, then here 2 times. Any input parameters or arguments should be placed within these parentheses. You can also define parameters inside these parentheses like this, num, and then we will replace 2 with this variable name num, and here in calling the function we will provide this input parameter 9, and here is the result. And if we pass other arguments like table start and table end, then we can use table start here and table end here in the loop. Input parameters are very helpful. So the result from 1 to 15 of table 9. And if we want to provide a default value, then we can provide a default value like this. That's how we define a default value of input argument. Let's define a function named max for num1 and num2, and here we will return the result. So if num1 is greater than num2, then return num1, else return num2. Let's create a variable val is equals to max 15, 22, and print this. The max number is val, and the max number is 22, and if we change the number from 15 to 25, the max number is 25. So this is the example of return function. Let's create another function, def show arguments. Here we can send multiple arguments, and we will receive these values by using for loop for val in arguments, then print val with this space. Here is the result, hello. Let's try another, and the hello world, and here it is printing in the next line, so we will use and here, and is equals to, and here you can see this hello and then hello world. And if we pass another argument, then here is the result, first, second and third argument. Let's create another function. Define keyword and then double static and argument for key and value in arguments dot items. Here we can send values with keys. In this function we will provide values with keys like this: A physics, B maths, C chemistry. And here you can see that the result is A, B and C, physics, maths and chemistry. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.